Welcome back to another episode of Times of Restoration. My name is Ashley Sellers, and today we are going to be talking about the power of antioxidants. Let's jump in really quick. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are substances that may protect your cells against free radicals. Now, antioxidants are produced naturally within the body when we have a very healthy lifestyle and eating habits. However, the normal American diet is very inflammatory and overexposes people to free radicals on a regular basis. Now, the good news is that there are also many whole foods that are very rich in antioxidants, and that is one of the things that I'll be sharing with you today. So, what are free radicals? Simply put, free radicals are harmful molecules. Free radicals are oxygen containing molecules with an uneven number of electrons. The uneven number allows them to easily react with other molecules. Now, free radicals can cause a large chain reaction in our body because they react so easily with other molecules. These reactions are called oxidation. Free radicals bind to our cells all over our body, and this is where oxidation, and another word for that is oxidative stress, occurs, and this leads to many chronic conditions. Now, let's take a closer look on how oxidative stress looks with our cells. So, when free radicals accumulate, they may cause a state known as oxidative stress, oxidation. This may damage your DNA and other important structures in your cells. Now, sadly, chronic oxidative stress leads to chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even cancer because it's killing the cells through time. Now, here in the picture, you can see how a normal cell looks, and then you can see how the cell is being attacked by free radicals, and then you can see when it's starting to enter that stage of oxidative stress, where it's starting to basically kill the cell at this point. So you can see the difference there in the process. Now, let's talk a little bit more about free radicals. We are constantly exposed to free radicals, and they are in the air we breathe, and processed foods, and endocrine disruptors. And if you want to learn more about endocrine disruptors, I do have a course on that you can take. You can just email me or message me directly on Facebook or Instagram, and I'll be able to lead you on how you can take that course. But we are constantly bombarded with free radicals, just like we are with endocrine disruptors. And the solution to this is not to put ourselves in a bubble because we can't avoid those things. The solution is to implement a healthy lifestyle that will protect our cells from the free radicals. So we can stop these free radicals from entering our body because, like I said, they're in the air we breathe, things we touch. However, we can protect ourselves from the free radicals once they're in our body. And one of the most powerful ways to do that is with consuming a lot of antioxidants, a lot of antioxidant-rich foods. And I specifically want to start by talking about vitamin C, because vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants that helps protect our cells against the effects of free radicals. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can strengthen your body's natural defenses. Antioxidants are molecules that also boost the immune system. They do so by protecting cells from free radicals. So when we protect our cells from free radicals, we're also strengthening and supporting our immune system. Studies show that consuming more vitamin C can increase your blood antioxidant levels by up to 30%. So consuming a lot of vitamin C, consuming the right amounts of vitamin C, not just by supplementation, but by through the food that we eat on a daily basis, we can increase the levels of antioxidants in our blood by up to 30%, and that is pretty significant. This helps the body's natural defenses fight inflammation. Now, here are a quick list some foods that are rich in vitamin C: broccoli and Brussels sprouts, green and red bell peppers, leafy greens, sweet potato and white potatoes, gold potatoes, tomatoes, mangoes, winter squash, and beans like chickpea. Those are really high in antioxidants and vitamin C. And you can, these are foods that are affordable, that you can find them anywhere. And you can easily make some really good meals with these foods. Now, we're almost done. We are now going to talk about what foods are rich in antioxidants. So these are just some of the superfoods that are rich in antioxidants, along with the ones that I mentioned when we were talking about vitamin C. So berries like strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries. Blueberries are so powerful, even for the brain and for balancing blood sugar levels. So berries are super important, and actually berries are so powerful that they've been shown to improve brain function in the immediate hours after consumption. And in the brain is where we tend to see a lot of oxidative stress. Another thing is beets, leafy greens. These foods are just so rich in so many minerals and nutrients and antioxidants. And you can easily make some really good meals with these. Lemon, red cabbage, goji berries have even been, there have been studies made that goji berries also help with decreasing how fast our body ages. Dark chocolate. And dark chocolate, because dark chocolate does not contain milk, which is also an inflammatory food. So we want to avoid that dairy. So that's why dark chocolate would be a better option. Oranges and green tea and matcha. Green tea is so rich in antioxidants that having a cup of that can significantly improve and up your levels of antioxidants in your body. So I want to take the time to encourage you to make the simple changes. Add these foods that are rich in antioxidants, that are rich in vitamin C, and you will notice a difference. I think we're in a perfect time where a lot of people are starting to open their eyes and realize, with everything that's going on, that no one can take their health as serious as they can. And free radicals, people don't, the medical world doesn't talk about any of those things, of oxidative stress and all those things, because they're not taught how to prevent that from happening. They're not taught how to feed the cells in order to protect themselves from free radicals. But that's what we're taught in our field. And these are, it's something that you might think, oh, well, this is simple. I can eat some berries. I can drink some green tea. I can uptake my vitamin C intake within my foods. I can eat a salad, things like that. But when you're being consistent and you're adding all these foods and eliminating the foods that are going to add more free radicals into your body, that's when you're going to really start seeing a difference in your health. Because oxidative stress, it's literally killing the cells in our body and it's damaging our DNA. And so I want to again encourage you to look into this. If you are looking into taking your health to the next level and really there's something that you want to heal, there's something that you want to work on, there's you've been dealing with something within your health that you can't find answers, doctors can't give you answers, feel free to contact me. My email is right here on the slide, or you can send me a message on Facebook or Instagram at A Restoring Life, and I would be more than happy to help you. I'm here to serve, and I'm incredibly passionate about health and helping people live a healthy life, because it is possible and that is what God wants for us. So, again, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next episode. Shalom.